Yeah, there's a number of consequences for getting a flat-out conviction on your record. One of which is fairly unique, is going to Canada when they find you. When you have a conviction for DUI on your record, the Canadian border people will not let you in their country. You have to get special permission ahead of time to do that. But if you try to drive up or otherwise enter Canada with a conviction, they will check the records here in the States, and in many, if not most of the cases, they will actually turn you around. So if you have a conviction and you need to go to Canada, you need to get permission ahead of time. The more obvious things, however, obviously there's points associated with that, and if you get those 12 points, you're going to lose your driver's license, and your insurance is going to go through the roof for the next 3 to 5 years or longer as a result of a conviction. In addition to that, it can threaten security clearances that you may have or want if you're a government employee or desire to become a government employee. One needs to be cognizant of security clearances. Here at Robinson and Associates, we defend a great deal of government employees, starting from the White House in Washington, D.C., through many, if not most, of the three-letter agencies such as the DOD, the CIA, the NSA. We actually have letters of recommendation on the wall from all of these agencies that I've enumerated here. So it's important to know how the DUI is going to interact with one's security clearances. Even if you're not in one of these agencies, other things like NASA, other agencies like that, for which we have a number of clients, can also have an impact. So one needs to think about the long-range ramifications of professional licenses, or if you're a doctor or a nurse or a lawyer or a judge or things like that, for which we represented all these people as well, there can also be potential ramifications. So a DUI, obviously, goes without saying, is not something that you can or should take lightly. It's important that you seek experienced counsel to handle these matters, which are far more complicated than normal practitioners are aware of.